All right, Chem 1110 students, we are to the last PowerPoint for Chapter 1, and this one is on dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is a way of tracking your units and using your units to do problems. It's also called the factor label method, and what you do is use conversions between units and you do the math such that your units cancel out. So for instance, if you're trying to convert 12 inches to centimeters, you would put 12 inches multiplied by the conversion such that your unit ends up being centimeters. So if you show that or use that second set of units there, 2.54 centimeters per inch, and you put that such that you multiply by 12 inches, the inches cancel and you are left with an answer in centimeters. The result is 30.48 centimeters. There are 4 significant figures because being a conversion, it is an exact number and therefore has an unlimited number of significant figures. And of course, your original quantity, the 12.00 inches, had 4 significant figures. Okay, so I have an example here where I worked it out, and so it looks a little bit like a kindergarten performance, but because it's hard to use a pen and draw straight lines. So what we want to do is look at this car. It is advertised as having gas mileage of 15 kilometers per liter. So it's obviously not a US made car. And we want to convert this to miles per gallon so we know what we're talking about. And so we're going to draw this thing that is often called a railroad track because you have a straight line that is like the divide by line in your fractions, and you'll see how I fill it in as we go on.